All you need to do is click on the link and sign up for a Draft2Digital account. So you're going to enter your first and last name. If you have a pen name, you can put that in, your email address, and put in the password that I have given you. And then once your book is uploaded, you can change that password to whatever you'd like. And you can say whether or not you want to receive news and say, I'm not a robot, and then register. And let me show you a little bit behind the scenes. Okay, so here is what it's going to look like once you're logged in. You can add a new book, ebook or print book, and I will be uploading both of those for you. So when you go to your books, you can see this is how you can start an audiobook. This one is print in draft and ebook. And then you can even schedule promotions through here. So you can see all these tabs right here. And this is going to make your book available in all online retailers, including Amazon. It will also be available for libraries and bookstores to order. So people can request your book and the library or bookstore can order it for them, which is a really cool way of getting your books in stock, because if it's popular enough at a particular bookstore, then they will order copies, because if it sells, they will want more of them. So you'll be able to see your royalties. Now I'm switching to Draft2Digital, so that's why you don't see anything yet, because I've been doing Amazon exclusive for the last, how many years? 10 years? More than that. But now I'm going wide, which means all of the retailers and not just Amazon. And I'm very excited to do that because Draft2Digital makes it so easy and I don't have to log into every different retailer's back end. So you'll be able to get your royalties, you have tax forms, you can see all of the data. Under your account, there's all kinds of things. One thing that I think is really cool is in your print book, you can click a button to have it automatically say books by this author. And anytime you have a book under that pen name, it will show up in the front or back matter of your book, which is cool. Also, love the universal book link. So this will allow you to just share one link and people will be able to then buy your book at whatever store they like. So that's really nice. And I will send you that for your book as well, so that you just have it quick and easy to grab. You can put in your author info. You can pick the name of a publisher. You can connect the books as a series. Pre-sale on Smashwords, account settings. I mean, yeah, it's very simple to use and you are going to freaking love it. So you can go ahead and either click the link in the description to set up your own account and just go from there, or you can hire me to take the manuscript and cover that you have ready and publish it through your own Draft2Digital account. So that's just $250, and you fill out a form where you upload your manuscript, your book description, your cover, some info about the pricing, and then I do it for you and hand it right back to you in about a week. So go ahead and head to my website if you are not already there to get more details about that.